Hey gearheads, welcome back to Auto Voice Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best wireless dash cam that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer. Whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature, links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6.
In our list, the number 6 product name is Thinkware You Own Dashboard Dual Dash Cam. As someone who values safety and peace of mind while driving, I rely on the Bene Gesserdome's 1000 Dual Dash Cam to capture every detail of my journey. This cutting-edge device offers 4K QHD resolution at 30 fp or an alternative 2K QHD at 60 fp, delivering crystal clear video clarity. The advanced Sony Starvis image sensor ensures sharpness and makes license plate reading effortless. Furthermore, its 150-degree wide-angle lens provides an expansive view, ensuring nothing escapes your notice. The super night vision technology enhances image quality even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for nighttime drives. I feel confident knowing this dash cam performs equally well in the day and night, and stunning 4K UHD clarity for capturing every detail. Night vision capabilities ensure safety during nighttime driving.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Viofo A229 Plus Dash Cam. When I first used the Viofo at 229 Plus Dash Cam, I was blown away by its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features. This dash cam is equipped with dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, offering enhanced dynamic range and light sensitivity for crystal clear footage day and night. The ability to minimize noise and motion blur during nighttime recording is a game changer. Additionally, the HDR front and rear recording feature ensures exceptional clarity even in fast-moving scenarios. With 2K plus 2K resolution, this dashcam delivers sharp and detailed recordings that capture every moment accurately. Whether it's a quick trip or a long journey, I can trust the A229 Plus to provide consistent performance. Pros: dual Starvis 2 sensors for enhanced clarity and reduced noise. Hands-free operation with 12 voice commands for convenience. Ultra-precise GPS for accurate location tracking. 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures smooth video transfer and app functionality. Requires a separate purchase for the hardwire kit, HK4. No SD card included. Highest endurance cards recommended.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Cooau D20 Dual Dash. As someone who values safety and evidence on the road, the Cooau D20 Dual Dash Cam has been a game changer for me. Its 2.5 K1080p resolution captures stunningly clear footage both outside and inside my vehicle. With a wide 170 deg front view and 150 deg interior view, every detail, from license plates to road signs, is crystal clear, perfect for rideshare drivers like me. Moreover, the Super IR night vision camera truly stands out. With 4 IR lights and an f.8 aperture, I get clear, detailed video even in low light conditions. The WDR video system ensures perfectly balanced footage no matter the time of day. This is an essential feature, especially when driving at night or in dimly lit areas. Pros: 2.5K front, 1080p interior resolution for clear recordings, exceptional night vision with IR lights and WDR system. Hardwire kit required for parking mode is sold separately. SD card not included, so you'll need to purchase one.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Kingslim D1 Pro Dash Cam. First and foremost, the Kingslim D1 Pro Dash Cam has been a game changer for my driving experience. Its dual 2K front-facing and 1080p cabin-facing cameras deliver exceptional clarity, ensuring every detail is captured with precision. The wide 170D angles provide comprehensive coverage, making this dash cam perfect for both daily commutes and longer road trips. Moreover, the enhanced night vision is a standout feature. Equipped with advanced firmware, it ensures clear and vivid footage even in low light conditions. Whether I'm driving late at night or through poorly lit areas, this dash cam provides reliable evidence, adding to my peace of mind. Pros: dual 2K front and 1080p cabin cameras for superior clarity. Enhanced night vision for reliable low light recording. Wi-Fi and app control for easy playback and sharing. Importance: no SD card included, needs separate purchase. Limited mounting option with only a suction mount.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Tamea A7 Pro Dash Cam. To begin with, the Tamea A7 Pro Dash Cam has completely transformed the way I feel about road safety. Featuring 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080p rear recording, this dual dash cam captures every detail from both angles, providing crystal clear footage for any situation. It's the perfect companion for ensuring you have reliable evidence during unexpected incidents. Moreover, the extensive recording angles truly set this dash cam apart. With a 170 DG wide-angle front lens and a 150 DG rear lens, it significantly reduces blind spots and captures a comprehensive view of the road. The adjustable front lens makes installation hassle-free, adapting seamlessly to various windshield types. Pros: stunning 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording. Wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots for comprehensive coverage. Exceptional night vision with WDR and HDR technology. Requires a separate hardwire kit for parking mode. SD card not included, supports up to 256 GB.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Rove R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. To start with, the Rove R2-4K Pro Dash Cam has completely changed how I document my journeys. Its 2160p UHD recording at 30 fps ensures every detail on the road is captured clearly, whether it's scenic drives or crucial evidence in case of incidents. Furthermore, the advanced 5G Wi-Fi connectivity makes managing footage a breeze. With the Rove app, I can quickly view, download, and share videos, customize settings, and even receive over-the-air firmware updates for free. Pros: stunning 4K UHD resolution with sharp and clear recordings, 5G Wi-Fi for seamless app control and sharing, hardwire kit required for parking modes, micro SD card not included, supports up to 512 GB. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below.